Hey everyone, welcome back to Technology. Today we will learn about conditional formatting in Excel plus if condition. So it's very handy and important feature which will make your Excel sheets look very elegant and smart. First of all, let's try a if condition. Let's say you want to uh, establish who are the salesmen who have achieved their sales targets. So this will be checked by using this formula. Let's type if this B2 is greater than or equal to this C2, then definitely target achieved. As you can see, otherwise not achieved. Great. So it will look in this column that is dedicated for sales, and it will look in this column that is dedicated for the target, and it will evaluate whether target are lesser than sales or not. If they are lesser than sales, then in this particular cell, the status cell achieved will be written, otherwise not achieved will be written. So press enter. Great. Let's drag this to this. Now obviously this is greater than this, achieved, not achieved, achieved, not achieved, and achieved. Great. Now we are not, this is what we have learned in our previous lectures as well. But in this particular video, we are actually learning conditional formatting as well, cell conditional formatting. So we want to instantly know without reading anything that whether sales are greater than targets or not by just looking at the cell color. So we will select this sales values and then conditional formatting, press conditional formatting, go to the new rule, then use a formula to determine which cells to format. Great. Now we will put the same formula that equals to B2 greater than or equal to C2. If it is so, then format the cell in green. We have, let me elaborate it again, that we have written this formula. This formula will check the condition, and as we have selected on the sales side, so it will be applied on sales side, the formatting. We will click to the format and click to this fill, and then we will have to select a color. Let's say it's green. So maybe parrot green. Okay, then okay. So great. Now at a glance we can see that those values which are green, obviously they have achieved their targets. Those persons have achieved their targets. So great. Now if you want to color these two values in which instances they have not achieved their targets, so again we will select the whole values, conditional formatting, new rules, then use a formula, then equals to V2 less than C2. Now format that says red. Great. Great. Now you can also use and or in order to specify the conditions. Now we want to make a interesting condition that, let's say we want to check equals to V2. We want to check the top performance, let's say. Be it if we want those values which are simultaneously greater than 10,000 and in which obviously B2 is greater than or equal to C2, the previous condition. The previous condition should also follow, but there is an additional condition which has to be checked by the Excel, that that B2 must also be greater than 10,000. So format, here we want a very dark green with some, let's add some fanciness here, border. Let's say we want to select the border of a golden color, then outline this complete outline, press OK. This will be the preview, press OK. So only single person qualifies this top put format, that is he is simultaneously having having sales greater than target, he has met the target, as well as his sales are exceeding 12,000, sorry, 10,000. Great. Now this is all about today's video. In order to get more such videos, please do let me know in comment section, and also don't forget to like and subscribe my channel because it's a new one, so that I may continue this work. Thank you so very much.